Hey folks, Kevin with EA Home Design. We are at the project that we recently completed. And Tara gave us the opportunity to remodel her master bathroom, totally reconfigure it. And I just want to ask her how her experience was with us. Tara, how was your experience as far as design and doing the project with us?
We had a wonderful experience from start to finish from the first appointment. We had wonderful design ideas, picking out everything. The crew was amazing. Everyone was so professional and friendly and efficient. We just had a great experience and we love the finished product.
Great, great. I hope you have more future projects that we can help you.
Oh, for sure. We already have a list for you guys.
Oh, great. And are you going to recommend us to your friends and family?
I already have, and I will continue to do so for anyone that's looking to remodel.
Okay, we appreciate the opportunity. Thank you very much. Folks, this is Kevin with EAM Design, and thank you, Tara.
Thank you.